Welcome all in the video lecture of electrochemistry. We are seeing the numericals on electro. So here you can see the screen in which the numerical is given. So this numerical explains or tells about the specific conductivity of a solution containing 1 gram of anhydrous BaCl2 in 200 cm cube of water was found to be 0.0058 per ohm per centimeter. If you read this line double or triple, it looks that you have given specific conductance for which 1 gram of BaCl2 in 200 ml of water. So that is the volume. And what we have asked, read the next, find molar and equivalent conductivity of the solution. With this, the data given is atomic weight for barium and chlorine is also given. So with the help of this atomic weight, we can calculate the molecular weight of BaCl2. 5 molecular weight calculation is required. So with the help of molecular weight, it is easy to calculate the number of moles, because in numerical we have to determine the equivalent and molar conductance. So for molar conductance, molecular weight is necessary, and for equivalent conductance, equivalent weight is necessary. We can calculate both with the help of atomic weights. So we will see the next slide. So see, in numerical, specific conductance is given. So how we can solve it? Given that K, that is the specific conductance, here I have written 0.0058 per ohm per centimeter. We have to determine lambda m and lambda v. So weight of BaCl2 is 1 gram. Molecular weight of BaCl2 we can determine. So it is 137, that is atomic weight, plus there are 2 chlorine molecules. So it is 2 into 35.5. So it becomes 208. So molecular weight is 208. So now it is easy. You can determine the number of moles. See here, number of moles is equal to weight divided by molecular weight. So it is 1 upon 208. So this is the number of moles. But this is for 200 cm cube or 200 ml of water. So now we have to calculate for 1 dm cube, that is for 1 liter. So if 1 by 208 moles are present in 200 cm cube of water, so how many number of moles will be present for 1 dm cube or 1000 ml or 1000 cm cube? So it is simply, so we may take the cross multiplication, 1000 into 1 by 208 divided by 200. So after calculation you will get 0.024 moles. So this is for 1 dm cube or 1000 ml of the solution. Now you will see the next slide. So concentration will be now 0.024 mole per dm cube. Remember the unit, it is necessary. So with the help of this, you can calculate molar conductance. So simple formula, lambda m is equal to K into 1000 by capital M. That is the molarity, that is the concentration which we have determined earlier. So it is 0.0058, that is the value of K, into 1000 by 0.024. After calculation, you will get the answer 241.67. I request to every student, whenever this answer is given, you have to also calculate in your home in a simple notebook by calculating, by writing the formula. You also cross check it, or by using your calci you may also check it. If any there is a mistake, you can communicate with me by simple WhatsApp or our Google Classroom. So you have to correct these difficulties. Okay, so cooperate. So now lambda m is 241.67 per ohm centimeter square per mole. So 5 we have to divide this factor by 10 raised to 4, because when we have to convert centimeter square into meter square, so in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters, so that is nothing but 10 square. So it is 10 square into 10 square, that is 10 raised to 4, because we have a square of centimeter square converted to meter square. So because of which we have to divide this factor by 10 raised to 4. So answer will be 241.67 into 10 raised to minus 4. Just rearrange 2.41 into 67 into 10 raised to minus 2. Now unit will be changed. It is in SI system. Siemens meter square per mole. So this is the one method. There is also other method by which you can calculate molar conductance. So it is simply lambda m is equal to K by capital M, where K is the specific conductance. So remember, this is the interrelationship formula between the molar conductance and specific conductance. Now you know specific conductance. M is also we have determined 0.024, but calculate here lambda m. So you can look here, it is multiplied by 10 raised to 3 cm cube per dm cube. So that is nothing but 1000 ml per dm cube. So because of which we have to multiply this all the calculation by this factor, then you will get centimeter square per mole. Answer will be centimeter square per mole. So it is 241.67. Now convert this centimeter square per mole into meter square just by dividing 10 raised to 4 unit, and you will get 2.41 into 10 raised to minus 2 Siemens meter square gram per mole. So that is the molar conductance. Now with the help of this information you can easily calculate equivalent conductance. Now what is needed for molar conductance? Molecular weight we consider here, but now we have to consider equivalent weight. You will see it in next slide. So for BaCl2, equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight upon 2. Now you know the general formula, that is equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight upon acidity oblique basicity. So that is for the acid and bases. But now this is the neutral compound. So you may use how it should get ionized. Ba2 plus 2Cl minus. So you can write here 2. So molecular weight by 2. So it is 208 by 2. So answer is 104. So that is the equivalent weight. Put up the value of equivalent weight, that is in case of normality. So it is 1 upon 104 into 1000 by 200. 200 is the volume of water. We have to determine for 1 liter. So it is 0.048 gram equivalent per dm cube. Now unit will be changed. Here is gram equivalent. So that is the value of normality or capital N. Now put up in the formula equivalent conductance lambda V is equal to K into 1000 by N. Small difference, for molar conductance it is capital M, for equivalent conductance it is capital N. Equivalent conductance is related with the normality, but molar conductance is related with the molarity. So put up the values. On calculation you will get 120.835 per ohm centimeter square. Here is also change, that is gram per equivalent. Divide by 10 raised to 4. You will go into meter square from centimeter square. So it is 120.835 into 10 raised to minus 4 per ohm meter square gram per equivalent. Now convert this per ohm into Siemens. So it is simply 1.208 into 10 raised to minus 2 Siemens meter square gram per equivalent. So that is the SI unit for equivalent conductance. So in this way we can calculate equivalent conductance. You have to also check the all calculations whether the answers are going to be correct or wrong. If there is any mistake, any confusion, you may communicate. So thank you. In the next lecture we will see the next numericals. Thank you so much.